How to disable volume button on Android phone. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. Now you want to tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, and then guys, you'll be searching for Button Mapper. Now go ahead to install this application, and after installing you want to tap on open. Now this is me just swiping through so that we can get started. Now this needs some permissions on your phone, so I'm opening settings, and now you want to go down to installed app and tap on it. Now go ahead to tap on Button Mapper, and then you want to toggle on the off button. Now you are going to allow this because you need the permission to manage your Button Mapper. Now we are going to go ahead to select the volume up button, toggle on customize. Now head over to single tap and tap on it, and then you'll be selecting the option no action, and that will be all for the volume up button, and you repeat this same process to the volume down button. Toggle on customize and then go to single tap and tap on no action. And even if you are pressing your volume up and down button just as I am, it's not going to have any effect on your phone. And this is exactly how to disable volume button on Android phone. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.